Hey guys, we're um we're on Monday 26th, August 26th. Um, about an hour ago, the sky is really clear now. There's just a couple of clouds around. But about an hour ago, it was blowing a gale and hailstoning, raining, and yeah, it was blowing hard. It nearly ripped. It would have ripped off this if I hadn't have put these wood on here. But I've just come out anyway to show you what I'm going to find under the microscope in this little bit of water. There's a little bit of water from the rain here, and I'm just going to soak in a couple of clean cotton buds, okay? Then I'm going to show you under the microscope, okay? So let's put these in here, okay? We'll get some water on them. We'll get some water on them, and we'll go and have a look. Let me see if the turtles, everything's okay here. Yeah, they're all okay. Okay, what's up with you? Eh? We've got a jungle. We've got a jungle of tomatoes. Look at that. Don't know if you can see the other side of that, but it's they just started growing wild. It's all around the back there, and this huge plant here. We're not going to go short on tomatoes this year. That's for sure. Anyway, guys, I'll put this on pause a moment until I get upstairs, and I'll see you there. Okay, here I am with a little system here. Okay, let me put these down a moment. Okay, let's put one of these on straight away, eh? Let's just have a look. Oh, let's just have a look. What's on here? Okay, that's just in the middle there. That's one swab. I'll keep this one for the next one. I'll keep this one for the next one. Okay. This is rainwater, huh? Did I get anything on there? Oh yeah. Okay, this is rainwater. I'll let you have a look first. If wait a minute. If this is the right, even if this is the right lens, I don't know. Let's have a look. Let's have a look here. I don't think that one's the right lens. Yeah, no, I can't see anything with that lens there. I don't remember which one. It's not that one. It's not that one. It's not that one. It could be that one. Oh, guys, I'm gonna have to put this on pause a moment. Oh, okay. This is a bit shocking. You know what the Morgellon's fibers look like? Okay, here's one for you. Look inside this. If I can catch it, huh? Wait, make sure it's still there. Yep, it's right there in the middle. This is the second one I've found on this. Okay, here we go. Sorry guys, this is really difficult. This is really difficult to do. I don't know if you can see that color. It's blue. It's blue and white. It's the one that goes like down the middle. The ring on the outside is like it's like a bubble. If I can move it and show you without it disappearing. Okay, that's a Morgellons. Okay, if I can just move it slightly, I'll try, eh? Wait a moment. I'm trying to get the best picture that I can. I can't keep it still. There you go. Okay, let's have a look at that. See that move then? I'm not touching it. I'm not touching anything. I've just got the phone in my hand, that's all. Okay, it goes from, it's the line in the middle, okay? And it goes from the bottom up and curves around to the right hand side, and it goes about it goes halfway over that curve to the other side and stops. Okay, I don't know if I can't see very well. I've got glasses on, but I can't tell if that's picking up the color blue. It's you can't miss it. I can see it with the lens on the. I can see it with this lens, but I can't see it on the phone with my naked eye. Okay, now I'm gonna find you something else. Watch this. Okay, this is the same one as you've just seen, but in a different direction. But I've got it really clear in the lens. So let's see if I can get it really clear in the picture here and get the colors right. Look at the top. Look at the top of this thing. Look at its curls on the top, hanging down. You see that? And it looks like a question mark going the opposite way. You know? Look in the bottom. There's like the tail. Halfway up in the first bend, you can see the little hair sticking out. You can see the colors blue. Okay, my phone's not picking up the colors, but I hope just because the phone's not picking it up, maybe the camera will. But I can't see it, but for me it looks black and white. But it's really, really blue. And yeah, that's a Morgellon fiber. Okay, and they do move. They do move. And we've got them all over us, inside and out, all over us. I've put my sweat on the glass under here, and I've seen these things in my sweat. So, okay, now I'll find you something else. Here's another Morgellon fiber, okay? This is a big one. and it's got the same colors. There's blue stripes in it. Look at that one. Look at it. Look at the surface tension around it moving. Look at it. It's drawing all them little pieces of you see there in the top, in his like finger that's sticking out there, the pieces of graphene that are inside that finger that are now, look at that. That's happening live, huh? There you go. Look at that. Oh, and it's just popped. No. What the hell? What the hell? It's just doing this on its own, huh? That's either the head or the tail. See if I can get a little bit more clear. Sorry guys, this is really difficult. I don't have any stand or to put the phone on. I've got to hold it in my hand. And it's really difficult, as you can imagine. No, and I can't get it any clear. I can't get it any clearer than that. Look, it's doing that again. It seems to just be drawing everything that's trapped inside this I don't know what you'd call it, this this thing that's moving. It's, how would you describe it? It's like I would say, but I don't know. It's somebody please tell me. Is it like a bubble or something? I don't exactly know. Maybe it's just where the water tension is between the two plates of glass, you know. But that anyway. Something's wrong with my lighting, because if I could show you, I'm just going to move this now. If I could show you the other things in here, you'd be amazed what's in there. You see that in the middle of the screen there now? The dark one to the right of the circle. That's a graphene. But I've got something wrong with my light. I'll have to change the light, I think. So it will show up all the other. You see how it changes? You see how it changes with the light? Depends how the light is. Okay, now you'd see the graphene like that. Okay, so if I was to move this, yeah, look at all them pieces of graphene. You can see them. But I can assure you what you can't see until I get the lighting sorted out. This is fucking crazy. Morgellon fibers. Oh, what's that on the bottom of on the bottom there? It's just a bubble. Okay guys, I'm going to leave it at that for the moment, and I'll sort out this lighting and I'll show you how much graphene is in this rain. Yeah, excuse me, it got a little bit long now. I didn't intend that. I'll keep you updated. Okay, see you later guys. Have a great day.